अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं माम् यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु।
Arjuna, keep your mind firm on me. Fill it with thoughts of experiencing me and fill it with thoughts of enjoying me. Conduct yourself so as to practice Bhakti Yoga, which is about me. I am teaching you the knowledge of my entirety. Listen attentively, Arjuna. Listen carefully.
ज्ञानं तेऽहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते.
Arjuna, I will tell you that I am different from being just a living being, what my form is and how my form is due to my unique dharma. Once you know these facts about me, there will be nothing that you need to know.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः.
Just one person in thousands will try to obtain the knowledge of Atma, the soul. Of thousands who attempt for knowledge of the soul, just one will realize God. Of those who know God, just one will try to understand God.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहङ्कार इति यं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
The elemental matter, that is 5 elements, mind and organs, true state of Supreme Spirit and ego. Everything is divided into 8 forms. All of these are in my control.
अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदन्धार्यते जगत्.
The matter that the previous sloka talks about is insignificant. There is a more important world of mind than the elemental matter in the form of Supreme Spirit. That entire inanimate material world is being covered by the Supreme Soul.
एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः प्रभव प्रलयस्तथा.
Everything starting from Brahma to the blade of grass is born because of vitality of elemental matter, which is in my control. Therefore, all these are in my control too. Therefore, I am the cause for birth and death of the entire world.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
Because I am the cause of birth of all in the 2 worlds, because I am the protector of the soul that protects all inanimate things, there is nothing greater than me. The way rubies in a necklace depend on the thread inside, the life of the entire world, animate and inanimate things depend on my innate supreme soul.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दखे पौरुषं नृषु.
There is no substance that does not exist in the Supreme Being. Therefore, water is like body of the Supreme Being. Taste and flavor cannot stay without water. Therefore, taste too is like the body of the Supreme Being. All words and sounds that naturally talk of the body are importantly talking about the innate soul. So, everywhere here, all the words and sounds of fluids and juices are in fact talking about the Supreme Being. That is, the Supreme Being is saying that it is He who is those exudations. Here, the chief qualities of those substances are expressed. Moreover, a thing that has given birth to, that thing, like body to the soul, is dependent on the thing that has given birth and seeks its protection. The idea of all characteristics this sloka talks of is that the cause of birth for all these substances is the Supreme Soul, and they are dependent on the Supreme Soul. So, through expressive words, the Supreme Soul is known.
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसो जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु.
I am the fragrance that is in the earth. I am the strength in the fire to burn. I am the life in all living beings. I am the penance in the sages.
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम् बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्.
Arjuna, I am the origin of matter, of all animate and inanimate beings. I am the strength of wisdom in all intelligent people, and I am the courage in all men of prowess.
बलं बलवतां चाहं कामरागविवर्जितम् धर्माविरुद्धो भूतेषु कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभ.
I am becoming the strength of powerful men, strength of not having desires and love. I am the love and desire for wife in humans which is not against dharma, that is, which is not unethical. All the beautiful things described earlier are born because of me, remain with me without leaving my body. That is, the respective qualities that are dependent on things, I will not leave these things. I am their innate soul. Because I am their innate soul, these qualities do not leave me. They remain with me. All their names belong to me. That is my view.
ये चैव सात्विका भावाः राजसास्तामसाश्च ये मत्त एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि.
In the world, each of these qualities of Raja, Sattva and Tama, that is, passion, wisdom and illusion, which, chiefly having bodies, organs of senses, things of pleasure, substances that cause these bodies, organs of senses, and objects of pleasure are all born because of me. Be aware of this, Arjuna. Born thus, they remain in my control, but I am never in their control.
त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैः एभिः सर्वमिदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्.
Because of delusion caused by organs of sense, organs of actions, and objects of pleasure, in accordance with karma of previous birth, the entire multitude of all creation, that is, gods, birds and animals, plants and humans, do not understand that I am the most auspicious, I am the most sacred. They do not understand I am extremely great and ever indestructible.
दैवे ह्येषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते.
As God likes amusement, He has arranged this world filled with qualities of Raja, Sattva and Tama, that is, passion, wisdom and illusion, for His playful acts. Therefore, this world will be in His control. The reason why no one, whichever world he may be in, cannot escape from this game. Illusioned by this material world, they are not able to comprehend the power of God. The pious men who believe that God is the only means, they can surmount this Maya called illusion. Only such people will worship God.
नमां दुष्कृतिनो मूढाः प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमाः माययापहृतज्ञानाः आसुरं भावमाश्रिताः.
Though one's soul is in God's control, those who think oppositely, that is, those who think the soul is in their control, those who have seen God in some way, yet do not have any attachment to God, those who obtain divine knowledge and get it blown away by tricksters, those who understand God well, yet dislike or hate Him, these are 4 types of sinners. These people do not believe that God is the only means to obtain Purushardham, that is, the true essence of life. This belief is called seeking. This is what is called seeking protection, Sharanagati.
चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ.
Those who wish to regain their lost wealth, those who wish to acquire new and more wealth, those who wish to unite with the Supreme Soul, that is the form of true state of soul, and those who importantly want to embrace God. These are the 4 types of pious men who worship God.
तेषां ज्ञाने नित्ययुक्तः एकभक्तिर्विशिष्यते प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थम् अहं स च मम प्रियः.
The fruit of worship for these 4 devotees is me. Therefore, my relationship with him is eternal. His devotion also will only be in me. So, He is the best. Though I am omniscient and have all the powers, I still cannot explain His love for me. I too love Him just as much.
उदारा सर्व एवैते ज्ञानी त्वात्मैव मे मतम् आस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमां गतिम्.
These four are getting reward by worshipping me. Hence, they are becoming donors to me. But Ajnani, just as the soul is support for the body, he is my support too. He is the one who believes I am the most eminent, I am the most superior and suitable abode. Therefore, I cannot remain without him. The reason why he is my soul.
बहूनां जन्मनां अन्ते ज्ञानवान् मां प्रपद्यते वासुदेवः सर्वमिति समहात्मासु दुर्लभः.
After many auspicious births, in the end, one will be born a wise man, and as a gnani with spiritual knowledge, think I am the fruit, I am the means, I am everything for him, and seeks refuge in me. A man with such great soul in this world is very rare and difficult to find.
कामैस्तैस्तैर्हृतज्ञानाः प्रपद्यन्तेऽन्यदेवताः तं तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया.
Everyone in this world is associated with the smell of guilt of sin. In accordance with the smell of those sins, they will be full of passion and illusion and seek objects of pleasure. With such desires, they lose the knowledge which is related to me. That is why they rely on gods like Indra and worship them as per religious rules applicable to those gods.
यो यो यां यां तनुं भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्.
All gods like Brahma are like my body. Anyone as a devotee who wishes to attentively worship my body in whichever form they like, these gods will protect my body in that form and ensure that it is not damaged with any obstacles or interruption.
ततया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितां हिताम्.
That worship, devoted with my grace and with that unwavering attention, wishes to worship gods like Indra. Those gods like Indra are like my body. So, in fact, their worship too is my worship. Therefore, pleased because of that devotion and worship, I will bestow things that he desires through those gods in accordance with their power.
अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि.
Small people who, for small fruits, worship small gods. The fruits or rewards they obtain will also be very little and perishable. How? Because the wealth of the gods who they worship are limited. So, the rewards these gods bestow are also limited. If they worship me, they will enjoy the wealth that is equal to my wealth. My wealth, my pleasures, my enjoyment are eternal, boundless, and infinite. Therefore, my devotees will also enjoy like me.
Avyaktam vyaktimaapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajanantaha mama vyayamanuttama.
People who are not aware of my eternal and indestructible nature are stupid and ignorant. They think I am not being known previously like them. They think I am born as a result of being dependent on karmas and that I am known due to karma.
Naham prakasha sarvasya yogamaya samavritaha mudhoyam nabhijanati loko mamajamavyayam.
Being an incarnation with human body, not everyone can imagine my eminent nature. The reason why people are not able to understand that my form is unchangeable without birth or death. They are ignorant, they are stupid.
Vedaham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mantu vedana kaschana.
Arjuna, I know all living beings that existed in the past. I know all living beings that exist in future and all living beings that exist in the present. But not a single soul exists who knows my essential nature. Not a soul exists who seeks refuge in me.
Ichcha dvesha samuthena dvandva mohena bharata sarva bhutani sammoham sarge yanti param tapa.
Arjuna, love or hatred that existed firmly in a particular duality of a particular soul in its previous birth, when he is born, he will again be born with the same love and same hatred in the same dualities, because of which thoughts of enjoyment with objects of pleasure and thoughts of hatred that are not to be hated are being born. Hating things that are not to be hated is delusion. That is why they are not able to think that to embrace God is happiness and to distance from God is sorrowful.
Yesham tvantagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te dvandva moha nirmuktaha bhajante mam dridhavrataha.
Those whose collection of sins from times immemorial are on the decline due to performance of auspicious and sacred karmas, they seek refuge in me. They leave the delusion caused by the triad of gunas or the three qualities of elemental matter. They worship me for wealth of final emancipation or moksha, and for seeking God. They worship me with strong determination and perseverance.
जरामरणमोक्षाय मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुः कृत्स्नम् अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्.
Those who seek my protection and surrender to me, those who attempt to attain the true and pure form of the soul, must know the relation between Supreme Spirit and the individual soul and also all the karmas.
साधिभूताधिदैवं मां साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च मां ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः.
Those who are aware that I am the first person, those who are aware that I am the first God, and those who are aware that I am the first yajna or sacrifice, they should also realize that even at the time of death, those who assign their mind to me will be rewarded appropriately.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगो नाम सप्तमोऽध्यायः.